we say get out the grill. If you've been dreaming of flame-kissed food, my next guest is going to help you nail the perfect char and bring bold, smoky flavor to your very first grill of the season. Chef Todd Leonard has things going for us on the plaza, and I think if Mariah Carey kicks off Christmas, it only seems appropriate that Todd Leonard kicks off grilling season.
You bet.
Green light?
Let's do this. Let's grill.
Do this. Okay, you're going to help us because I don't grill.
Yeah, well, you know, when you approach the grill, you want to start with the best beef.
Okay.
So the best beef, in my opinion, is the bar dub beef.
This is your baby.
Yeah, so this is a new company that Corey and Emily Wright, our wonderful founders who live in Nephi, created. They're ranchers.
All right.
They have their own cattle, and this is their own beef. Look at the premium marbling. I mean, it's just amazing. And, and you know, we go to the grocery store, you want to find good local beef.
That makes a difference.
Now, yeah, because in my opinion, you don't know where it's coming from, you don't know what's in it, but we know what's in it in Nephi, and it's homegrown right here in Utah, so it's just that easy. So you're gonna start with your steak.
And you're going char grill, right?
We're going char grill, and it's nice and preheated. The grill's like about 500, 450.
Okay.
And I've pushed it right on the iron, and you just want to salt and pepper that.
Is a gas grill offensive to you?
No.
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 You're good with that.
No, any flame.
Whatever.
Traegers are great. They're just a little slower. You just have to adjust. But this is a little bit of Chef Todd's pit seasoning. So I've got a little layer of seasoning now. This is the other trick.
Is that
tip
butter?
Today. This is beef fat.
Oh, beef fat.
So this is what we call beef towel. And so you want to make sure that you put beef towel, beef on beef, flavor on flavor.
Is the average at-home grill master really going to do that?
Well, the good news is you can buy beef towel right from us right online. You can buy beef towel pretty much anywhere now.
So this is a product I should have.
Yes, so regular oils and things do have a lot of additives. You got to be cautious on that.
Okay.
This is 100% natural beef towel. We render down all of our towel from the beefs right in our plant.
Wow.
And so it's perfect.
And what
it
does
works
that
out
do
perfect.
to the actual meat?
So this just gives you natural flavoring and natural fat.
Okay.
So this helps lubricate on the grill. This helps keep it moist. Because remember, this is like the Sahara Desert.
Yeah.
So when you're grilling the bar dub meat, you do not want to ruin it.
I like when you get the twinkle in his eye as he
so
starts to do an
you want to make sure you put some suntan lotion.
Okay, there it is.
There it is.
Yeah, yeah. How do you store? Is that like in a bottle? I'm sorry. Or how do you store that?
We sell it in bottles or we sell it in tubs.
And I keep it just in the pantry.
Yeah. And so if you ever like want to do fried chicken or fried everything, all right, look at this plate right here. So this plate is a burger plate that we're going to sell down in the restaurant. These fries are fried in the beef towel.
Okay.
Every French fry in our restaurant will be fried in beef towel. It's so cool.
So you just treat it at home though, you would treat it like a normal oil.
Yep.
But better.
But better, exactly. Yes. So guys, I know you're gonna grill burgers, but look at this burger idea.
Oh my gosh.
So we've got the fry sauce, we've got the lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, onions, the burger, and then I take a poblano chili. We roast it, fire roast it on the char grill or on your burner, and you get it nice and charred, rinse it off, clean it, and you put a chili on there topped with pepper jack cheese.
That is a burger.
This is called the bar dub burger.
The bar dub.
The bar dub burger. So bar dub, the bar dub is our cattle brand. So the cattle brand goes on the steers.
Okay.
That's how we recognize they're ours.
All right, what else, Todd?
Okay, so then this is kind of cool. This will be one of our appetizers in the Range Steakhouse. So the Bar Dub Grill and the Range Steakhouse are in one building in Nephi, third exit. And this is one of our appetizers. That's smoky burn ends. And so that'll be one of our appetizers you'll be able to come down and get on our menu. That's delicious. It's big enough, definitely going to be shareable. Really elegant.
Yes.
And then this, of course, is our New York steak. That's our 1 pound New York steak.
Look at that.
This is our pork belly cheesy smoked Gouda potatoes.
Yum.
So little pork belly cheesy smoked Gouda potatoes.
Yeah.
Asparagus, carrots. All of our steaks come with choices of 2 sides, a salad or a soup. It's just amazing.
Well, anything you put your chef kiss on, we know is a success.
Yep. So you just want to you really just want to make sure when you approach the grill this summer, approach it correctly. Start with your #1 best meat, good meat.
Yeah.
Know where it's come.
Okay.
Bar W offers all of that to you now in your home.
Nice.
You can order online. You can also just go down to Nephi and take a tour. We have a nice little store and market.
I can't wait to.
We package small packages. You can buy whole briskets. You can get all these different kinds of cuts of meats. But
Okay.
the real fun thing is, guys, is just go outside and start grilling and be with the family
Yeah.
and start enjoying. And seasoning, you know, it's up to you. Low and slow. You can see this steak is pretty fat.
Yeah.
So you want to make sure that it's not going to cook too fast.
Okay.
So you just undo that now. You've got your marks there. We're going to just quarter turn that. We're going to keep mopping with that wonderful beef towel.
Yes.
Put the lid down, smoke that a little while. Just perfect.
All right.
So keep the ingredients fresh. Love Bar W.
Did we say
Come
opening
down.
day?
Opening day, we're going to open the grill hopefully mid to late June.
Okay.
And then the steakhouse will come late fall.
Awesome. Well, congratulations.
Love it. You bet.
Can't wait to check it out. We're cheering you on.
Come on down.